Hello guys, welcome to how to do things, how to make a bathroom in Minecraft. So these are all the blocks you're going to be needing, and I have some extra things you're going to need. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is get out our pillar, and we're going to make our foundation. Okay, just place it. Oops, sorry guys. We're gonna go like this, and it's like that's the foundation. We're gonna replace the floor with dried kelp block to make it look like tiling. Okay, just keep on doing this. It's very easy. Just replace. Replacing song, let's do the replacing song. Replacing everything. Okay guys, we're gonna go into the inventory and we're going to try to find a door, because we need some doors, of course. We're gonna need some nice doors. Okay, now we're gonna put our white terracotta 3 up so it can be cool and it can be a nice bathroom. Sorry for the distractions. So let's just keep on going. The making song. Okay guys, if someone calls my name, I'm very sorry. So do. And it's really easy to make these ones. They're very easy to make. Just do it how I'm doing it, and it takes you like 4 minutes. It's very easy. Okay. So if you need like a mansion or something, this is a big bathroom. You can also make small ones, but I choose to make a bigger one because I like big and nice bathrooms. So that's the toilet, and that's the bathtub, of course. Putting water in it. Okay. Carpet down on the floor. You can have any kind of blocks that you want. I'm just choosing these ones. Okay, so just placing those things. I always forget what they're called. I'm sorry guys. I need a tripwire hook, so it's easy. I'm sorry for the distractions in the background. People like to scream. And there you go. This is the bathroom. I'm sorry guys. Oops, not clear weather. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna post that. I don't care anymore. Okay, time, sunrise. I don't know why sunrise. I should put day, but okay. So destroy that. This is the bathroom. That's the bathtub area. That's the carpet. That's the sink area. The storage above. This is the toilet. You can add windows and stuff. It's easy that way. But this is what it looks like from the top view. You can put like lighting and stuff if you want. I just chose not to put lighting and stuff because I don't need to put lighting and stuff. But here are just a whole bunch of shots of what it looks like. So goodbye guys.